Day 4, chapter number 21, verse number 35. Every soul will taste the death, and we test you with the bad and the good as a trial, and to us you will be returned. Explanation. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informs us that every soul will die. All the prophets died, all pious and saintly people will die. Nobody will live forever in this dunya. This dunya will come to an end and only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remain. After death, we all will return to Him to give the account of our deeds. In this dunya, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will test us with both good and bad. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tests some people with by giving a lot of wealth, and the test for such people is how much wealth do they spend in the way of Allah. Some others Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tests by giving them very little money. The test for them is how they patiently endure the poverty and only seek halal ways of earning money to fulfill their needs and that of their families.